Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if f of x is equal to x plus 4 and h of x is equal to 4x minus 1, find a function g such that g of f is equal to h. So we're going to have some function g of x, right? And we're going to do this such that g of f of x is equal to 4x minus 1. We want it to be h of x. G of f of x is g of x plus 4. Right, this is equal to 4x minus 1. So, how do we find g of x? Well, if we're taking g of x plus 4, that means we have to come up with some function such that when we input x plus 4, we get 4x minus 1. So what if g of x was equal to, and we do this in pencil to differentiate from the actual function, what if g of x was equal to 4x, right? What if we're multiplying it by 4? That gets us from x to 4. G of x plus 4 then would be 4 times x plus 4, right? Plugging it in instead of x. And this is equal to 4x plus 16. Okay, so the difference here is that instead of a minus 1, we have plus 16. So what if we turn this 4x, we subtract 17. Therefore, g of x plus 4 is equal to 4x plus 16 minus 17 minus 1, right? And you can do this because you're just subtracting 17 at the end, so it doesn't really matter when you put it in. Therefore, for this new function, g of x is equal to 4x minus 17, g of x plus 4, therefore g of f of x is equal to 4x minus 1. Therefore, g of x is equal to 4x minus 17 is the function g that we're looking for, such that given f and h, g of f is equal to h.